All right, hello people who are gone. We're going over questions, and one of the questions on R6 was number 70. We're going to do R7 notes today, so if you don't have any questions on R6, you can skip ahead a little ways. We are on number 70. All right. If you did this problem, what did you do first?
Well, that one, I added the 3D.
Perfect. Add the 3D over. I like that. 3D squared plus 3D squared. You cannot combine these two because one of them is a D and one's a D squared, so that's bad. Then we've got 3D squared minus 5 over 2D plus 1 equals 0. Okay, then what?
Multiply by 2.
Yes, multiply everything by 2. That will get rid of our fractions. Okay? 2 times 3D is 6D squared. What's 2 times negative 5 over 2? Negative 5. You guys know that that just cancels the number on the bottom, right? And then 2 times 1 is 2, and 2 times 0 is 0. So we have this going on now, and we have no fractions anymore. Okay, now what do we do? He might be a complex trinomial, but I doubt it.
You can do like the B squared minus.
Yeah. Let's do the, do they want us to do the whole quadratic formula and solve it, or just the discriminant?
Just like the little thing.
Just the little part?
That's what I did.
That's what it said? I think you have to do the whole thing. Solve the equations. Yes. So you can do the little part and figure out if we have like what solutions, what types of solutions we have, but they want us to do the whole thing. So A, B, and C. Okay. Negative B will be positive 5 plus minus square root B squared. What's B squared going to be? 25. Minus 4A times C over 2A. There we go. Okay. And we're going to end up with an imaginary number. What is 4 times 6 times 2? 48. Minus 48. 25 minus 48. Negative 23. I don't know. Am I doing this right? Are you guys...
Hold on, I don't even know what my homework is.
Checking this? Okay. All over 12. 23 is prime. So literally the only thing I can do to this is take out an I. Do you want to put the I in the front or in the back?
I put the I in the front.
You put the I in the front? Okay, so I squared to 23 all over 12. And there is that. Okay. That's what you got?
That's for 70, right?
That's for 70. You betcha. Okay? Anything else?
78.
78. I'll put 78 over here.
Like the whole thing, so they can have 36.
You want to read it to me, Aubrey?
You do that or you don't have to.
Go back to something.
Oh, yeah.
You do that.
Sorry. If I bump too fast, you holler.
5 plus or minus.
You guys know that we have a 1 o'clock out tomorrow. So 7th period is...
I'm gonna do her work.
Okay.
Oh, and they do have lunches the last period of the day.
So we can just go home.
How exciting. 12:24 to 1 o'clock is lunch. Yay. Beautiful. Okay, 78. All right, read it to me. What? 2x?
And in parentheses, x minus 2.
I didn't clarify.
Close parentheses equals
Oh, really?
x plus 3.
From what?
Like that? That's exactly how it's written? Okay. Oh, what do you do? Distribute the 2x? Yeah, that's what I'm thinking. 2x squared minus 4x equals x minus 3.
Subtract
Yep.
minus 3.
Yep, so let's move this guy over this way.
Whoa.
I won't
You
write
made
it
it
down.
minus 6.
What do you
Oh, yeah, you're right. I bumped a negative. All right. If I subtract the x over, that'll be minus 5x. And minus 3 equals 0.
Teachers, please dismiss the junior high volleyball players.
All right, now what? Are they wanting the whole solution?
Which one? Oh my gosh, okay, next one.
Do we do the whole thing? Negative b plus minus square root? Or do you not do that for this one?
It just says use the discriminant. Determine the number.
Yeah, this is a discriminant.
That's it. So we just use the discriminant.
Evaluate, you want to find the answer and determine the number and type of solutions to each equation.
So we don't have to do the whole thing, we just have to find the discriminant. B squared minus 4ac. All right. What's b squared going to be?
Just do my homework for me then.
What'd you say number?
25 minus 4 times 2 times negative 3?
6 is
Okay. What's negative 4 times 2 times negative 3?
Let me see. Do you
positive 24.
Not really.
So the discriminant is 49.
Not very much.
And there are two solutions, because that's a positive number. And we don't have to find those two solutions, we just have to tell how many, right?
What if I did find the two?
No, I
You
haven't
just
figured.
go for it, Carter.
Well,
Wait,
I don't know.
plus and
I
minus
just
seven.
said, since it was carbon, I was like, nope. But I don't know if that's right or not. Use an X doesn't.
For your discriminant,
Okay, so these are organic, which is why I put a check mark by that.
you put your discriminant is 49. Your discriminant is not plus or minus 7.
Where did I get plus and minus seven?
Yeah, let's
Probably
do that.
from the, so negative b, so the whole thing would be 5 plus minus the square root of 49 all over 4. That's what your whole thing would be. So you got plus and minus 7 probably from here.
Sorry, I was falling asleep this
But the discriminant itself actually is 49, not plus and minus 7. Okay? What?
80.
80?
Somewhere.
Like I have to be.
Will you read it to me?
3.6
Just fill that
and
whole thing out. I'll be
M,
and
N, okay?
wait, plus
I do know a lot of this.
0.4?
yeah, equals
Because
negative
in the
8.1
equation,
n
wherever it
squared.
is.
Okay,
equation
okay. What are you gonna do first?
Yeah.
Add over the 8.1, okay? I buy it.
Yes.
Oh, I put the decimal in the wrong spot.
Did you do 104 or
B
are we
squared
just gonna leave
minus
it?
We're just gonna leave
4ac.
it.
Are we taking it tomorrow?
There you go, yeah.
Okay, now that, I would not go straight to the quadratic formula yet.
Okay.
Did anybody else do something different?
B.
What'd you do next?
Multiply by 10.
I would multiply by 10 to get rid of any decimals.
You don't have
Yep.
to.
You don't have to, but it makes it less
Maybe that's
ugly.
what I need to do tonight.
81n squared plus 36n plus 4 equals 0. There's my ABC.
Just sat there and I'm like, I don't even know how to write this.
Okay, negative b will be negative 36 plus minus square root. What's 36 squared?
It's
Yes.
just fine. It's just like
Oh, it's just a discriminant? Okay, perfect. All right, let's. Blah, 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 blah. Okay, b squared minus 4ac. Okay, what's 36 squared? Big number.
Basically, they're similar and different.
What problem are you on?
80.
1,296.
36 squared, what?
It's similar.
1,296.
I can do that.
1296
I'll do that later.
minus 4 times 81 times 4.
You don't need
What's 4 times 81 times 4?
Well,
Yes, you
it's
do.
1296.
It is also 1296?
Yep.
Perfect.
No, leave that, leave that. We don't need that.
So the discriminant is 0 and there is
one.
1 solution.
Okay, we need to put this in
Awesome.
our folder.
You betcha. Okay,
86.
what? 86? Okay.
No, let's go with your no
It's
card.
gonna be
It's
1
for calc.
squared minus 3.
We're doing limits. You probably can do those too.
And that's all squared.
Squared, okay.
Because you're so.
Minus 6.
You're so.
And then in parentheses.
Minus 9.
Do you know what limits are?
It is 9. It's 9 instead of 6.
How?
Okay,
Yeah,
Never
minus
even heard
nine.
of
y squared minus 3 goes here.
Yeah.
And
Minus
then,
52.
what?
Minus 52.
Minus 52 equals 0?
Yeah.
You're up.
Well,
Okay,
it's not set equal to anything.
I understand. Did you do
we're
this?
just trying to factor it.
Me neither. I was falling asleep during
Okay.
the podcast.
You're trying to find the, like, you need
I
to
looked
solve.
over.
Okay,
Solve equations in quadratic.
what would you like to do?
Set the thing for y.
Y squared minus 3 equals,
9.
I'm gonna call him
Thanks,
x.
Billy.
Okay, so y squared minus 3, I'm gonna change him to x. So this is x squared minus
And
9x minus 52 equals 0.
half.
Oh my heaven's sakes, does 52 break down?
13.
Oh, yeah, you did.
13 and 4, alright. I did not think
Negative
about that.
13.
X minus 13, x plus 4 equals 0. Okay. So x minus 13 equals 0, and x plus 4 equals 0. Yep, I'm slowing down. Okay,
A histogram?
we're setting those guys equal to 0.
What's that? Just like a little.
Yeah.
Oh, those things.
Yeah, stats is super easy.
Okay.
Weird stuff.
Doing
Like
it.
skip
Instagram.
track or skip count.
That was like the belt, right?
Velcro, yeah.
Why'd you skip what about?
Okay, now what? Before we solve,
You don't need it.
let's plug this guy back in
No,
for
you
x.
don't.
You don't
So
need it.
y
You're never
squared
gonna
minus 3, and y squared minus
Well,
3.
geometry uses calc every day.
What? Me?
Oh.
Yep.
Yeah,
use it. Okay, but.
So this is y squared minus 16 equals 0. And this is y squared plus 1 equals 0. These are going to be nice.
We can't see it.
Did you steal my
I just bumped it. Why did you do that?
No.
Is he coming back to
I
us?
found him.
Nope, I think I hit the remote. Okay, hold on.
I was accused of robbery.
Yeah, you were.
Let's try.
It was, yeah, wrongfully accused by that.
There we go. Okay, now what?
Solve.
This is an equal sign. Okay, let's solve this guy. Let's add the 16 over.
Plus or minus 4.
Y squared equals 16 square roots. That is plus or minus 4. Okay. The other one, if I subtract 1, y squared equals negative 1. What's the square root of negative 1?
Why weren't you at the?
I, and we need plus and minus. Okay, how many places should this thing cross? Maximum.
Forgot.
Oh my
4.
Smells like gas.
How many does he actually cross?
I remembered it. That's
2.
one,
No.
and I still didn't do it.
Okay, good.
I'm not-
Those are my 4 answers. What else you got?
Didn't care. Did I really need to go? One vote counted.
Okay, good.
My one vote
Yes.
counted. Or
Anything
you
else?
mattered.
Okay.
Are we
We
good to go?
actually didn't really vote. They kind of
Yeah,
just
we
talked
kinda
about
just talked about what we would do. Oh, the
Money.
seniors are pissed.
What?
I hope you know that.
In our meeting this morning?
about
Oh yeah, they're mad.
About.
I got
Yelled at
about
this morning.
homecoming.
Yeah, I got yelled at this morning in stats.
Oh yeah.
For no, I wasn't even.
Wait,
doing
prom
it.
or homecoming?
Whatever.
Prom or homecoming?
Homecoming.
For what?
Okay, well, it
Let's
just
go.
makes
Let's
more
go.
sense
Saturday.
to have it on the Saturday.
Oh,
Yeah, I got yelled.
Who's
at.
complaining about it being on Saturday?
Almost everybody that was in my class. Chase,
Alright.
Sorry, guys.
Anywho.
I wish I did.
almost everybody in stats this morning was in my class.
I think I'm gonna pause this and I'll start a new video for R7. How about that?
Why,